Oh, look at that.
Hey, Judge,
Yo,
do you want more first or you want the PR bond?
no, let's get more done. Let's get Larry out of here.
All right, come here, more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, let me pull up your paperwork, Mr. Moore. Hang on just a second, sir. I got to
Thank you.
retool here for a second.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. All right, this is 688-354, State of Texas versus. Oh, did I get back on? Thought I did. Yeah. State of Texas versus Edward Dwight Moore. Are you Edward Moore?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Can you raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Thank you, Mr. Moore. I appreciate it. You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Moore, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
It's whatever. It don't matter.
All right, thank you, sir. Mr. Moore, evidently you were placed on, 8 months of deferred adjudication for the, 12 months and then extended for 8 months. Deferred adjudication for the offense of assault bodily injury on the 30th of March, 2023. Correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, state filed a motion to adjudicate you guilty and revoke that community supervision. You are aware of that, sir, right?
Yes.
Mr. Moore, do me a favor, sir. The state of Texas here is going to read an allegation or more against you. And I need you to listen up, make sure you understand it, because you're going to have to tell me if those allegations are true or not true. Go ahead, state.
Yes, Your Honor. The state is going to proceed on condition number 2. On or about the 7th day of June 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Edward Dwight Andrew Moore, did then and there admit to consuming alcohol in violation of condition number 2 and or on.
Let me get a plea on that. Mr. Moore, do you understand that allegation against you?
Yes, sir.
Is it true or not true?
True.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead, state.
On or about this is also condition number 2. On or about the 7th day of June 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Edward Dwight Andrew Moore, did then and there admit to illegally using a controlled substance, namely cocaine, in violation of condition number 2.
Mr. Moore, do you understand that allegation?
Yes, sir.
Is it true or not true?
True.
Thank you, sir. State.
We're going to abandon all other conditions, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Moore, are you aware, sir, that based upon those 2 pleas of true, I could, if I thought it was appropriate, find you guilty in this case and revoke your community supervision?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead true, sir?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Moore. I will accept your pleas of true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
We submit the motion to adjudicate guilt and revoke community supervision. The state recommends a $0 fine, court costs 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
Mr. Larry Meadows, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
Mr. Moore, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang on just a second, sir. All right, Mr. Moore, then I find it is true that you violated condition number 2 on 2 occasions. At this time, I find you guilty of the offense of assault causing bodily injury. Having made that finding, I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, and 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment, Mr. Moore, is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Moore, this was an adjudication of guilt. Following a deferred adjudication, you have limited rights to appeal, which your lawyer could further advise you about if you need any advice on those matters. Mr. Moore, do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir, I don't, sir.
You take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you very much. I do appreciate it.
You're very welcome, sir. You take care. Thanks. See you, brother.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thanks, Judge.
They'll be releasing.
I got more paperwork here on Torres. Terry, are we doing? But Willerson, is he going to talk to his other client first, or what are we doing?
Yeah, he's probably going to do the other client as well. He's got an MTR, he's got a.
I'd really rather do this one if we could go get him, because we have an interpreter waiting. We have everybody.
Okay, let
Isn't
me
this
go
a
in there and
Spanish
see.
speaker? Yeah, and then
Yeah,
he
let
can
me-
bounce back and take care of Ferguson.
Okay,
Although Ferguson shouldn't take long if it's a, well, I don't know. It might not be a time, sir.
I need to speak to him. He wanted to talk to me.
Okay. Let's do the plea first if we can, just so we can get Arlene out of here.
Yes.
You need to go right. Is the first call, I think. How are you?
In here,
Hello.
yeah, Ms. Willison is here. Yes, Judge, Mr. Yeah, go ahead and talk about, Mr. Olivo Torres, Mr. Willison. I guess we're gonna send that one back, Judge. He's saying he's not an US citizen, but he doesn't,
Okay.
he does not have an ICE hold, Judge, on the
Okay.
docket or anywhere.
Want to send
So,
it back? All right.
And
Go
Mr.
ahead.
Willerson, can I just briefly talk to you?
Sure.
Okay.
You want to go to room 6 to talk?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Go ahead. Let me, Mr. Willison, go to room 6. There you go, Mr. Willison.
So I'm just gonna X out all that paperwork.
Wait, I'm sorry. Who was reset?
Torres. Olivo Torres.
Thank
It's,
you.
it's a docket case.
Okay, so it's going back Olivo Torres. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so, Terry. That was, Arlene, that was the whole point. But well, hang on a second. They just went to talk. They're not talking about this case, Terry, are they?
Who knows, Judge?
I know, that's the point.
I think the state have made 2 offers for that
I
case.
know.
Yeah. And then on mine, I went in there already. I kind of told her what jail court was about, but I mean, I don't want to get fired or anything.
Yeah, good for you. Good for you. He probably just needs a. Yeah, he needs a Padilla letter. I mean, I don't blame him. He's covering his bases, but let's just do it and be done with it. Terry, are we Arlene for anything then?
I don't think so, Judge. No.
All right, Arlene, thanks for all your help. See you.
If I need you, I'll call you. I don't think I have a Spanish
Right.
speaker.
I'll X out of Torres here. We don't
Yeah.
need that paperwork. He
Okay.
needs a Padilla letter. And then Are we waiting on Ferguson or what? Well,
I just need to go over his paperwork with him and that's it.
Okay, Mr. Willerson, I'm moving you back to room 1. Is that okay?
That's an
Sounds
MTR.
good,
So
thank you.
there's only like
MTR,
two
Judge.
pieces of paperwork, right?
Okay, so, thank you.
All
Like
right,
if Jim
Judge.
could just do it really, really quick.
Okay, well, I don't know, Judge. That's the thing.
I mean, it's an MTR. There's two pieces of paperwork, a waiver and,
Yeah, yes, well, I understand that, Judge, but
You want to knock one or two out, Judge, or just hold off?
well, we wanted to knock one or two out before, but you guys couldn't get it together, remember?
It's here.